Okay, update on my N57 rebuild. So, cylinder head is back on. New deep diesel pump on it. Bottom end is back together. New oil pump. And now I'm looking at the camshafts and the rocker arms and that stuff. So one thing I noticed while looking at this is these rocker arms don't look as good as I hoped they would. So they do have some kind of grooves on them. Some of them you can feel it. Oh, it's kind of catching a bit. So I probably am not going to use these. So these have 200,000 miles on them now. This is probably one of the worst ones. It's not crazy, but you can definitely feel it. Otherwise, all the other surfaces look good, like the surface that gets in contact with the valve stem. It's very smooth. And the part that gets in contact with the hydraulic tappet also looks good. So I noticed one potentially interesting thing. So there are 24 in them there. I had to take the cylinder out of 50,000 miles ago, and in that process I broke one of these rocker arms, and I replaced it with a aftermarket one from Febi. Put a part number down there, and now I can see they all look the same. However, one of them here appears to have a wear in this surface here, which touches the valve. You can probably see it. It's kind of worn in there. You can also feel it with that metal thing. It kind of catches there. It's maybe like 0.5 millimeter or something like that, or 1/4 millimeter. It's worn in. All the others are very smooth, don't have that. So you can see the difference there. So initially we're thinking of just buying these again, but or like buying more of these aftermarket ones, but I'm not so sure anymore given what I'm seeing here. So again, differences. I mean, can't be 100% sure, but it seems to be highly likely that this is the aftermarket one that I put in 50,000 miles ago. While all the others look the same, they're probably all the original ones, which have 200,000 miles on them now. So I have 3 options now. Either just put in what I have here. I still have one new one of the aftermarket. I bought 2 at a time, so I could potentially just swap that out. But if I do that, I would basically put these suboptimal surfaces back in, which I don't really like. Option B is to buy some aftermarket ones again. I've seen I could get some Carbon Schmidt ones, which should be pretty good quality. I found them on Spare2 from a European supplier for like around I think $12 each. It's one option. Or I could buy new E ones, but they're more like 3 times as expensive. It's only $1,000 for all of them. Let me know if you have any experience with these aftermarket rocker arms in this engine, and if you have any thoughts on what to do there.